Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that what are the draw tools available in AutoCAD and the functions of the different draw tools in AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So in order to discuss the different draw tools that are available in the AutoCAD, so the draw tools are available in the home tab. This is the home tab in the main menu. So the draw tools has been categorized in this draw tools category. So the first one is the line, and then the second tool available in the draw tools in the home tab is the polyline, and then the circle, and then the arc, and then the rectangle, and then the ellipse, and then the hedge. So these are the different draw tools. So combinedly, this is all these tools has been categorized as the draw tools. So with the help of the line tool, you can draw any type of line in the AutoCAD workspace depending on your requirements. So if you want to draw a line, so you will click on the line tool, and then as you can see in the command in the AutoCAD workspace, so it requires to in the command line to specify the first point. So arbitrarily I'm clicking here, so this is the first point. Now you can see in the command line it required to specify the next point. So this is the next point, and then required to specify the next point. So depending on the requirements, you can assign the different points to the line, and the line can be drawn. So this is the first tool available in the draw tools in the AutoCAD. So through this you can draw any type of line depending on your requirements. The next tool is the polyline. So in the line, a polyline is a line which is consists of different segments, and all these segments will be acting as a single object. As you can see, this is I have drawn a object which consists of different line segments. This is this one, this one, this one. But you can see when I am placing the mouse on the cursor on the line segment, so all of the line is being highlighted. So this is the polyline, means all the segments acting as a single object. So if I want to select only this segment, so when I click, so all the segments in the polyline has been selected. So a polyline is a line which is made up of different segments, and all those segments are acting as a single object. So this is the main difference between the line and the polyline. And in the case of line, when you draw different segments on the line like this, and this one, and then click on enter. So when you want to click only select this segment, when you click, so this will be only this segment will be selected. But in case of the polyline, when you select on the when you want to select this segment only, so when you click on this, so all of the object will be selected. So this is the main difference between the line and polyline. The next tool available in the draw tool is the circle, and in the circle when you click on this drop down button, So there are different options to draw the circles depending on the available input data. So you can select this option to draw a circle, or this, or this, or this. So depending on the input data, you can select any options to draw a circle. So I have uploaded a complete video that how to draw different circles depending on the input requirements. You can watch that video, which is available in my channel, which is name is the to draw different types of circles in AutoCAD. So if you want to draw a circle when you have only the center and radius, suppose this is the center and I know the radius, so when I enter the radius, which is this much, so a circle will be that. So this is a complete circle. So depending on the requirements, you can depending on the input data or the available data, you can select any option to draw a circle. So a circle is also lies in the draw tools. The next one is the arc, and this in when you click on this drop down buttons, so there are a lot of options depending on the input data. You can select any one to draw a required arc. So I have uploaded a complete video on the different types of the arcs to draw in AutoCAD, so you can watch that video which is available in my channel to know the different types of the arcs, how to draw depending on the available data, means depending on the input data. The next option in the draw tool is this rectangle. When you click on this drop down button, so there are two options. One is the rectangle and one is the polygon. So you can draw a rectangle when you click on the rectangle. So now you can see in the command line it required to specify the first corner. So by default I am click here in the first corner. Now you can see in the command line it required to specify the other corner. So let's suppose this is the other corner. So you can see a triangle has been created, and now you can change the size of the rectangle by clicking on these grep points. This is called the grep points. This one and this one, and this is the grep point at the center. On this you can change the size or the position of the corners. So the next tool that are available in this draw tools is the polygon. When you click on the polygon, now you can see in the command line it required to specify the number of sides or the polygon. So we assume that there will be 8 sides, and then enter. Now you can see in the command line it required to specify the center of the polygon. So let's suppose this is the center. Now you can see in the command line it requires to specify either it would be inscribed or circumscribed. So I click on the inscribe. So now you can see in the command line to specify the radius of the circle. So arbitrarily I am click here to be the radius of the circle. Now you can see this is a polygon and 8 sides. So the next option available in the draw tools is the ellipse, and when you click on the drop down buttons, there are 3 options to draw the ellipse. First is the center, then is the axis and end, and the third is the elliptical arc. So you can draw these 3 things depending on the available data. And the next options that are available in the draw tool is the edge. So in the edge there are 3 main options: the edge, gradient and boundary. So depending on the requirements, so you can select this or this or this options. So now this was all about the different tools available in the draw tab of the tools, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.